Hello everybody, as I said to you that I'll teach you how to validate this form, so let's just start. The first thing which I just want to validate is the full name or the email address. Okay, I'm just going to the full name here. This is the name actually. I'm just adding a simple attribute instead of doing any coding. I'm just typing required. Okay, required. Now let's just go to the browser and refresh that. What will happen if I just click on submit button? Then you can see that please fill out this field. Okay, when I just click on submit button, I'm getting the error again, please fill out this field. And then if you just want to validate your email address as well, so I'm just going to the notepad here and I'm just typing in the input fields. Okay, here I'm just typing adding the required attribute again. Okay, now you can see that very simple method. When I just click on submit button, now first of all the form is telling me that please fill out this field, the name field. If I just type Shazaib Kamal or any other thing, okay, Kamal, and if I just click on the submit button, now it is just telling me that please fill out this field. This field is in email address. Then if I just type ASD here, okay, I'm filling this field, but I'm just filling with ASD, and I'm just clicking on submit button. Now it is just telling us to please include an again click there, yeah, please include an @ in the email address. ASD is missing an @. It is just clearing us that what the problem this has. So @ now I'll just click on submit button. Now please interrupt part following @. Okay, ASD @ is incomplete. Obviously we have to put the gmail.com. Now if I just click on submit button, now my form is submitted. You can see that. I hope you understood how it works. Actually, if you just want to add some restriction with the subject as well, then please add that. Now I'm just going here and simply I'm just adding an asterisk here, another asterisk here, and an asterisk here. Okay, in which elements you just want, you can add the asterisk. Okay, so this is really simple and really easy. Now we can add the asterisks with the country as well. Okay, I'm just adding the asterisks with the gender here. Press any space and add an asterisk. And here I'm just adding, if you just want to make the select tag as required, so add the required element to the main area. Okay, to the select tag. Okay, not to any option. And remember that I just mentioned in your gender value empty, in male value male, and in value female the small letters female. Okay, now refresh that. I'm just refreshing that again and just clicking and just putting something here and just typing @gmail.com or whatever and click on submit button. Now you can see that please select an item in the list. Okay, they just want a selection. However, your gender is selected, but actually you know that your gender has no value, so it is getting an error. So when I just select male, that means I just selected the perfect thing. Now in this way we can actually make them actually perfectly required. So I hope you understood. Without any specific coding, just by adding simple codes we can check out these things as well. And now what more I have to do? Just finally, if you just want to get the country as fixed, it means the required, then you can do the same thing. Just add the value, which should be nothing, and add the attribute. This type of attribute actually called the empty attributes, and this is newly added in HTML5. Refresh that. Now if I just click on submit button, I've got a lot of restriction in the form. I have to add the perfect @gmail.com, the subject, the gender, and I just click on submit. Now please select an item in the list. If I just select Russia, then I just click on submit. Now I can submit the form. So in this way I hope you understood that how to actually add some restrictions with some easy methods, and I'll teach you some more things in next class, so stay tuned and goodbye.